If you have a dinosaur-obsessed kid like I do, then you've got to check out these.
Dinosaur bones!
I'm a homeschool mom and I have 3 children of all different ages. And while I love the fact that this is so fantastic for my younger kids, I also love the versatility of it because you can use it across the age groups. For my youngest son, it's more creative play and it's more just putting the things together. For my middle son, it's exploring what the different bone parts are. And then for my older son, it's actually him designing and coming up with these skeletons of all these dinosaurs. The open-ended, really creative, where they are making their own dinosaurs, or they can look up like the skeletal structure of actual dinosaurs and build that. So I love that it can go across all the different age groups. So far, they have proven to be very resilient against my children who are very tough on their toys. These would make wonderful center activities, especially for elementary age, to work on those fine motor skills. I just cannot love this product more. You've got to get this tabletop bone set. Go to their website. They've actually got 3 different sizes, and this is the small size. Like, this is the smaller size. So I really, really recommend this product, and you need to go check them out.